Hey LinkedIn. So many of you will be familiar with my many articles about automating your telecom dashboards using Excel. And you're probably wondering what the heck I'm talking about. So in this short video, I thought I'd show you exactly how automation works using Excel for your dashboards and how quickly and easily you can update your dashboards each month and get through that and actually focus on what the data is trying to tell you. It's about a minute and a half. Have a look. This is our long distance dashboard, presently updated up through August of 16. It shows the first block of data here is the numeric KPIs for the previous 12 months. Then we have two graphical charts of that KPI data, and then two more graphical charts. And then lastly, we have the historical data back as long as it's available. So this covers almost 7 years worth of long distance KPIs. We'll update it now. There's two tables to update. One is the information from the long distance service provider invoices, and another is the subscriber counts, and we use that to generate our unit metrics. Once the data has been added, simply refresh the pivot tables, and now the dashboard reflects the September data and is completely updated. I put the latest update date in the title of all the charts, and everything updates automatically. Do it one more time. We'll grab the October data and the subscriber count. Refresh the pivot tables, and that's it. And you can see it reflects the October update. All the chart titles have the update date in it. You can see we added a third long distance service provider during the month of October, and you see how the distribution of traffic has changed. And we've updated the historical KPI data. That's it. Well, there you go. That was incredibly easy, right? Simply update the data, refresh your pivot tables, and now everything is ready. You don't have to extend any of your ranges. You don't have to change any of your titles. You don't have to edit the date any place. None of that manual stuff. The whole dashboard is set up so that once that pivot table is refreshed, any changed data will be reflected in it. So it's that easy. If you've got any questions or you have a suggestion to make the dashboard even better, leave me a comment and I'll respond to it, and we'll both improve. Thanks so much.